All Tiwa Students Union Meghalaya State Committee kalkentu sarkar preng bak sarkar jela ban penyo eka bha schedule tribe ya gajat ben riau Tiwa Lalung nadu ubnai menwan kata u nailar kesnem arajar arpun riau syaban sedang kakam tho khana samari lane kejing ken yi briau kaban long ha kesnem arajar arpunyo kini kejing dawa kadai kebelas ateng la kumbalai posnem wala gajat ben riau Tiwa keladan lupa nadu kesnem syajar ka katai spa anyo puar rengkat bagi jengyo ke jelam Meghalaya. Kino yalam jong ganeka Students Union kila penkan mau ke history bagi kot kisla ba usiem gobha ubade usiem kitiwa ule penyeso bagi himajantia barwala menta kathan syari krai bat sanrat jong distrik riboy kila hap po kejing sensyar usiem ke hima khairim. Benban kitiwa kedang yaine ba kerukom sensyar tenrai lang bagi klit non sensyar ke bagi kot kiloro. Kino yalam ke hima khairim ru hendai kila pensisya lang bagi siti syuk menteri rang ba kejela ubadai ketu kopor uba ike molong bagi tiwa ki degi bahak kebidan kam ya kahima hagani kejingyalang ke bles nokti lang dikirang ba snong ki lingdo ki doloi bagi bagi seng balang all tiwa students union kelepen pau belar ke sarkar kampat penbiang ya ni ke bahak schedule tribe bat kejing pensisya kejat benriu tiwa shua u nailar kesnam arajar arpun riu kenun barok kelakloy ben ujor bat led dagalenti jongkaan nyapok keriti sinsyari nama kejing kunjuki keladap lai posnem.
The Tiwa Lalung community is one of the indigenous tribes of Meghalaya. This is historical fact that cannot be denied. Like the Khasi, Garo and Jandia communities, the Tiwa Lalung people became part of the newly created state of Meghalaya in 1972 along with their ancestral land. Historically, the ancient Gobai state, the traditional homeland of the Tiwa people, share a common boundary with the ancient Jandia kingdom. The territory of ancient Jandia state extended as far as Parapucia and Topakuzi Roha, reaching the banks of the Brahmaputra River. These historical facts are well documented and clearly establish the long-standing presence and identity of Tiwa Lalung community within the present-day state of Meghalaya. Today, All Tiwa Student Union, Meghalaya, All Tiwa Women Association, Meghalaya, Tiwa Mathun Laikokra, Meghalaya, Tiwa Cultural Society, Meghalaya. Therefore now, the Tiwa community stand united in urging the government to take immediate and necessary action to address a long-pending demand for scheduled tribe recognition and ensure justice for our community. They are the dignitaries of the Dorbar Basan, Lengdo, and Doloiship of the five right, the headmen of the Tiwa villages, and the representative of the Tiwa NGOs who have come together to represent the collective voice and aspirations of the Tiwa community. Till today, the All Tiwa Student Union and the Tiwa community have approached the concerned authorities through peaceful, democratic, and constitutional means. We have submitted memoranda, held discussion, and patiently waited for a fair response, believing that a genuine demand would receive due consideration. If pursuing our constitutional rights through peaceful and lawful means is considered to be wrong, then we are left with very few options other than to explore every other legal and democratic remedy available to us.